Hi guys, this is our new design e-bike for 2024. It's an electric road bike. We put the battery on the saddle here with Samsung 36-volt 10 amp hour and 36-volt 250 watts brushless motor. We have 9 gears from Shimano view, and we use torque sensor here. This axle is torque sensor. This bike can go 25 km/h max speed, and we use front and rear disc brakes with hydraulic disc brakes. And let me show you the LCD display. We have 5 different pedal assistance speeds. Here you can see different speeds, and this is the battery capacity. This is the current speed. Let me show you the fuel. Electric road bike from Hijoebikes. Thank you.